Good day, this is Rick, and today we will be looking at how to monitor an agent live while they're on calls. First thing we want to do is to make sure that our SIP phone is up and is ready with your user extension showing. Step two would be to log in as an administrator, which would bring you to the system summary page, kind of showing you how many agents are logged in, calls are going on, ringing, and everything. And then you would have your menu here on the side, and you would click on reports and then click on real-time main report, which would show you a queue view of the campaigns that you can look at. Now if you notice up here, we got a refresh for every 40 seconds, which tends to be a little bit slow. And then you have your phone extension that the agent is using, plus the agent name, their status. If they're in an outbound call, which was automatically dialed, which would indicate as in call A, and then on an inbound call, which would be in call I. Also, you will see the pause status and then a pause reason, which will be training and the respective times. First thing we want to do is go to choose report display options, and you will see here all the campaigns that are available to you with all the user groups, which you can divide them later. Over here you will also see on the right side screen refresh rate, which controls this right here. So you want to set this to 4 seconds to kind of get like a closer to real time than 40 seconds. Your second option that you need to change would be your monitor, which would be changed to either monitor or barge. Let's go through monitor and then we'll go through barge. Now, the third option would be your phone, which would have to be the extension that you have, which would be 6667, and then submit. Now we see that now the refresh rate has been switched to 4 seconds, which now you'll see more time when agents are going into dispo, how long they're on calls, and everything else. Also, another thing you will notice is that we have a listen link. And if you want to listen to an agent, let's say we want to listen to Douglas right here, we would click listen. The site would inform you that it's been calling you, and then you will see down here where you hit answer, and you are now able to listen to the call. If you want to stop the call, you can just hang up. Now, while you listen in on an agent, they will not be able to listen to you. They will not know that you're on. They will not hear any changes in the call. So now, having said that, let's look at the barge option. The barge option can be used for quite a few things. One of them being maybe on a sales um, scenario where you have an agent that's on the phone and maybe is having trouble closing a customer, and then you can have a second voice or a closer or the manager jump into to the call and try to save the deal. Also, you can use it as a scenario where you want to live train an agent and help them out, and maybe you have them on a call on a, let's say on a nesting situation, and somebody needs to get in there to try to save whatever call you're doing. Now the difference is that the barge is like a three-way conference. So once you pop in, the agent will hear a boop boop noise, and then you will be able to talk. If you're unmuted, they will hear all the noise around you and everything. So if the indication is only to monitor, then we want to use the listen option at the barge job. And if you guys are going to barge, to make sure that the SIP phones are on mute because they will hear everything as soon as you hit that barge button and you answer the phone. Um, and I guess that's it for right now. Thank you.